Welcome back to the Ideas World. In today's videos, we are going to talk about an amazing AI platform. That name is Ribib.ai. That's really worth your time. Let's find out. So first of all, guys, if you are a content creator, a YouTuber, or just someone who wants to create videos using AI, this platform might completely change your game. So Ribib AI is all-in-one AI creation platform where you can create videos, images, voiceovers, and even social media posts all in one place. This means you don't need multiple apps anymore. Everything's available in a single dashboard, which makes it super easy and fast to use, guys. So let's talk about some most main features like that AI video creation, AI voiceover, image and content generation, automation, everything. Let me show you first you need your prompts here like that. You can also generate a prompt from the Google AI and the ChatGPT, and you need to click on generate and paste your over there and click on that. That's it. You can also generate everything on the VPAI here, and you can also check out their skins also here. Their pawns are also available there. You can also literally generate everything in just 3 seconds. Here are the skins, guys. In skill option, you can also check it out. Here's the videos, guys, dub videos in other language. You can also create the stories. You can also create a podcast clips here. And after that, the visuals, the attitude also here, the audio and the music are also available there. So let's check out how you can do in the videos like that. You have a select over there. And just give me what you want to say in a theme. And you need to give everything about the start from there. Let me show you how you can create. Now as here you can check it out how you can generate the image. It's super cool here. You can also check it out. Everything's there in front of you. You just need to give everything and you can create everything on this platform. So a lot of features are coming soon, just like image and content creation for automation. Everything is coming soon. So now let's talk about good things. Easy to use interface, save times, perfect for beginners, all in one platform. So should you use Ribib AI? In my opinion, yes, especially UI beginner. It's a greater tool to start your content creation. So as everything's there in front of you, this is one of the bestest platform that I have ever seen in the crypto related. And you can also check on the social media, like you can also create carols and create shorts. You can also get trending summary everything every morning track account performance too on this platform. And you can also literally generate dub videos into other languages here. Like there are dub videos into other languages on this platform. And after that, you can also create storytelling videos and knowledge article to slider, create a storytelling slider, and podcast video to the clips you can also generate there here. And after that, here are the individuals you can also create Amazon product. You may sell like that on this platform. And you can also need Amazon image, main images you can also generate from this platform too. And after that, here are the Behance URL to the design here like that. You can also convert into the design here, which is also in front of you. And after that, you can also generate tasteful posters on this platform. Like that, they're also in front of you guys. And after that is career. You can also create a storybook on this platform too. Also, you can create a business card like that. They also have generated the business card. You can also check it out on this platform. This has been generated by the Ribib AI. That is one of the most promising and amazing thing that I have ever seen. And you can also sharpen your blurry images, enhance details, and even process them into the patches. You can also first draw up the image you want to upscale and just tell me desired clarity and the size here. Just creating contact. Ribib can instantly help you to post it on your social media. Just like that, you can see I have give all our details on this platform. You can also check it out and check it out, guys. This is what I have received from this platform. So guys, with just one command in generous preview exactly like your social media platform and even gives you a public option, guys. You can check it out. This is all for videos for my social media platform. It has created for me like that. And here's the most interesting and powerful part comes here. First of all, so guys, but here is for most powerful part. You can fully automate your workflow. Just ask Ribib to create an auto post daily and sets up a task for you automatically. And you can also check it out here And you can even ask this monitor performance optimize your content and keep posting consistently. So guys, from creation to posting to automation, Ribib completes all full content loop here. You can check it out, guys. And after that, you can also resize the images too like that. Then you can also do the batch remove on this platform too. And after that, you could also download social media on this platform too on there here. And audio and music also available there. In the article to podcast, article to song, generate a song on this platform. Because that was how you can use it. Ribib.ai, one of the best platform. So that was our video. I hope you liked and enjoyed. So we will meet in the next video. Have a great day. Please keep safe and stay happy. Goodbye.